Where we at?
We in the motherfucking booth. B-Raw Sounds. Big Nation shit, bringing it to you live and direct. Live in studio in the motherfucking country.
I don't like fans around me. Only really like bands around me. Yeah, niggas can't stand around me if they don't stand for something. Yeah, niggas don't know me. How the fuck you know me? Niggas say he know what a meal look like. Ain't got one, how he gon' show me? I don't like niggas to owe me if you ain't Brody. You niggas some rats go and die somewhere slowly. You niggas ain't nothing. Y'all numbers I'm crunching. Hit him 2 times in his back like Boogie. Be thinking about running. Grew up to be an OG. All my niggas, they know me. Everybody around me solid. Ain't nobody folding. First thing on my mind when I wake up is get this money.
So, what's your name? What's your artist name?
Shit, this y'all Skilli boy, man. You know I'm out here, H-Town, man. Rapping.
Sure. What we working on?
Man, shit, we working on everything, man. We come to smash the whole city, man.
For sure.
You gotta reach if you want that Porsche, you gotta...
Enough of, yes, I cannot get enough of. Yes, niggas switching sides, so I'm moving silent. Fuck with the fam, fuck with the cash, I get violent. Yeah, cash, I cannot get enough of. Cash, I cannot get enough of. Remember the night you sleep on the floor? I with the cash and money galore. I with the cash and money galore. Pray to God I don't go put it in more. Niggas on our shit. We gon' play with the fam, we gon' drop shit. All your niggas gon' fuck, you gon' jump shit. Yeah, they say they back as a killer. Moving solid, only thing loud is my pick. Finna turn this quarantine into a mosh pit. Yeah, middle finger to the opposite. Hey, kid from the Riverside Project. Yeah.
Don't even say
Rick, I'm in Hamilton tucking a whole 32 clip. You worried about some clothes, I'm hoping the clip fit. When I get rich, by half the hood like 10. If I can't get it in the air, I swear that's getting shit. I got any mighty mo hoes, she know that I can pick. I like to drink lean.
You think his merch is gonna plummet?
Yeah.
Travis Scott?
I don't know, bro. That's just wild, bro.
I was in the bottom lot, smoking gas, selling grass. Coming third period every time.